Let me be your pusher, 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 ayy. I got that good stuff that you want.
What's up everybody, Thomas Anderson, Iv'e, and today we went for another Bando Rippage trip. And we went today again to the glass factory, broke a few drones, but we got back safe. Thanks Robbert, thanks Richards for the day, and see you to the next one. Check out the footage.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.
A world where anything is possible. Where we go from there is a choice I leave to you.
Take off the foo-foo, take off the cloud chase, take off the Wi-Fi, take off the money phone, take off the car loan, take off the flex and the white loss, take off the weird ass jewelry. I'ma take 10 steps, then I'm taking off top off. Take off the fabricated streams and the microwave memes. It's a real world outside. Take off your idols, take off the runway, take off the Cairo, take off the Sandro, pay 5 days stay, take a put a meal and a follow. Take off the fuck flag, take off perception, take off the cop with the hot pad, take off the unreal, take off the unsure, take off the solutions I like. Take off the fake deep, take off the fake woke, take off the I'm broke, I care. Take off the gossip, take off the new logic, that if I'm rich, I'm real. Take off the short mill, take off the doje, take off the broken bags. Take all the designer bullshit off, and what do you have?
You ugly as fuck. You out of pocket. 2 ATMs, you stepping to what? You out of pocket. Who you think they talk about us? Who you think they carry out for us? The word in the panic, the women is stranded, the men on the run. The profits abandoned, the law take advantage. The market is crashing, the industry won. Niggas and bitches to sleep in the box while they making a mockery following us. This ain't monopoly, watching for luck. This ain't monogamy, y'all getting fucked. Jumping on what the hell is that? I gotta relax when I feel. All my descendants, they come in my sleep and say I am too real. I'm done with the sensitive, taking it personal. Done with the black and the white, the wrong and the right. You hoping for change and miracles. I know the feelings that came with burials pride. Bitch, you ugly as fuck. You out of pocket. 2 ATMs, you stepping to what? You out of pocket. Who you think they talk about us? Who you think they carry out for us? Serving up a look, dancing in a drop. Hello to the big step, but never lose a count. Venting in the safe house, venting in the safe. Can I fit out my truth? I got options to lose, I got problems and fools, I can swim with my fate. Cameras moving, whenever I'm moving, the family suing, whatever I make. Murder is stacking, the president action, the government taxing my funds in the bank. Homies are cheats in the face when I'm wrecking, look at my reaction, my pupils on skates. Holla. Let's think about this for a second. Tell me what do it do for static? We share your show, don't credit. We share your bro for leverage. What a hypocrite said. What community feel they the only ones relevant? What a hypocrite said. What community feel they the only ones relevant? You out of pocket, yeah, you out of pocket. You entertain the mediocre, you can stop it. You entertaining old friends when they toxic. What you like, bullshit, toxic. What the fuck is council culture, dawg? Say what I want about you niggas, I'm like Oprah, dawg. I treat you crackers like I'm Jigga, watch I own it all. Oh, you worry about a critic, that ain't protocol, bitch.
Você quer sexo agressivo, ou deixa sua bunda ardendo. Bota tapa.
Quatro paredes, eu vou acabar contigo, oi. Quatro paredes, eu vou acabar contigo, oi. Em quatro paredes, eu vou acabar contigo, oi. Quatro paredes, eu vou acabar contigo. Oi, quatro paredes, eu vou acabar contigo. Oi. Em quatro paredes, eu vou acabar contigo. Oi.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.
A world where anything is possible. Where we go from there is a choice I leave to you.